How to add music to Facebook Reels. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily add music to Facebook Reels. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now just select your profile icon either from your left side or right side. So I'll simply click on my right side and just head over to my profile name just like this. So once I'm finally inside here, I'll simply click on this videos section as you can see. So once I'm inside my video section, so let me just tell you or remind you that you cannot actually add a music to already added video. Whenever you try to edit the video, as you can see, you can only get to edit the caption just like this, but you cannot or are not able to add a new music to it. So let me just quickly create a new reel from over here. So now I can simply or finally click on this audio button after selecting the particular video and just click on add music to directly add a new music just like this and select a new music and click on next. So that is exactly how you can easily add a music to Facebook Reels and share it with your friends. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.